tired of losing your deposit? You follow so-called trading gurus, trust their signals, and yet another loss? You've tried everything. Manual trading, signal groups, paid strategies. Nothing seems to work. It's time for a change. The problem? You're relying on guesswork and emotions instead of data-driven decisions. Introducing the AI Trading Bot, a fully automated system that analyzes the market, detects high-probability trades, and executes them with precision. No more guessing, no more emotions, just consistent results. Guys, I also want to tell you that I trade with the bot every day, and you can watch all the latest videos on my channel.
Got you up.